Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut apps. So you can open the CapCut apps and select a new project and select your videos or photos you like to edit. So for instance, I'm just going to open my project. Sorry. Alright. And after doing, you're just going to to open another project. So I'm going to split the clip into some part, and for the project clip is going to add the animation and select the animation, scroll to the right, and you can find the zoom 1 and zoom 2. So first select zoom 2 and adjust for duration and pull, click check mark. For the second clip, go to animation and select zoom 1, pull duration, and here we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.